Hey guys, welcome to Wave. We talk about a lot of things related to long-term crypto investing. If that interests you, then do like and subscribe to our channel. In this episode, we'll talk about the crypto equivalent of stock exchanges. So all of you know what a stock exchange is, right? Where you're probably buying and selling the shares of a company that you might have invested in or you want to invest in. In cryptos, a similar way, right? That's where you're probably buying your cryptos. You have exchanges, but there are two kinds, and most likely, all of you are, or the average person is used to the exchange which is known as the centralized exchange, right? Whether it's a Binance or a Coinbase, these are called as centralized exchanges because there is one entity who is sort of controlling it. It has somebody leading it. They make rules, they do your KYC. So all this is part of the exchange process. So they know end to end on who you are, what you're buying, and what you're selling, and so on. The whole nature of cryptos is that it has to be decentralized, and hence, why not a decentralized crypto exchange? So same way, there are decentralized crypto exchanges. Many of them, in fact, are very good for long-term investment because centralized crypto exchanges are doing volumes, annual volumes in like trillions, right? I think Binance last year was 35 trillion in transactions or something. The decentralized exchanges are now picking up. There are many of them. We've figured out the best ones for to be listed here, and if you could own a piece of the exchange, then for every trade that happens, you will make some money out of it. So in the whole crypto market, if not anything, if there there might be projects coming and dying, but there is one thing that or one utility that has sort of been established well in the last 10 years, and that is trading of cryptos. And with the growing number of tokens that are coming, there are like 15,000 plus tokens. It is only natural that decentralized exchanges will continue to grow because centralized exchanges do not have all the tokens that are probably available on decentralized exchanges. Centralized exchanges are very selective. So there are a lot of advantages to why decentralized exchanges might be or might have a great future, and some of the best ones are like Uniswap, which is probably the largest among the lot. There's PancakeSwap, Loopring, SushiSwap, and ThorChain. We have put them together in a basket that is well optimized to ensure that you get the highest returns for the lowest possible risk. So in this basket, we have Uniswap, which is about 25% of the basket, PancakeSwap another 25%, Loopring is about 20%, ThorChain 20%, and SushiSwap 10%. Um, so if you think that if this idea that the exchange will always be there no matter what, then if you believe in this idea, then for sure you need to probably make an investment in one of these. Do your own research. This is our idea of what can be an ideal portfolio, a sub portfolio, which includes all exchange related tokens.